You might be a person who thinks you've tried everything, but nothing seems to be working. I knew people who read tons of personal development, went to every yoga class, meditated 3 times a day, and while maybe that helped them feel better inside momentarily, the results don't change in their life. So you watch them make the same amount of money, have the same amount of love, have the same type of arguments over and over again.
Lauren got me to see what was possible and actually put that into action.
Let yourself know what you would love, so at least you're the expression of you. And so many of us have been trained to say, if I want more, I should feel guilty about that, because I should just be grateful for what I have.
She gives you that hope and that belief in yourself, and I believe that she's amazing. She's really great.
Growth is the most natural order of the universe. It is the reason why a tree will push itself through cement to feel its own aliveness. But there's a part of you that says, this is the time. If I'm going to do it, it's going to be now.